So, good morning, yeah. And over here we're having Shagan, and today we're going to learn something under chemistry. And I believe that you that is watching over there, you're very much ready, and you're eager to know what today Dan is having to present to you here. But before that, first things first, I want you to tap on that subscription button that you see down there so that you don't miss on the latest post and even updates by Teacher Dan. Okay, so I believe you're ready, and let's dive into the topic. Carbohydrates. Are you ready? Let's begin. So, today we're going to do the topic carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. So, this is something that you've come across maybe in your earlier years of learning, and you've learned it in biology, okay? Even through eating. Yeah, this is something that you've eaten. It is one of the 3 food groups that we know about, okay? And today in chemistry, we're going to dive into carbohydrates. And we're going to go deeper, know the components, the constituents that makes up the carbohydrates, okay?